Ever struggled with trailer wiring that's complicated, unreliable, or just doesn't fit your vehicle? Imagine a solution that plugs right in, no cutting, splicing, or taping required, and stands up to the elements every time. That's exactly what you get with Tekonsha's 16-gauge bonded wire with 4-way flat plug. It's designed to make your trailer connections simple, secure, and worry-free from the moment you hit the road. For over 55 years, Tekonsha has been the go-to name for trailer wiring, trusted by drivers across the country. Their 16-gauge bonded wire delivers solid, weatherproof performance in a single-piece construction that resists wear and tear. With a stop-turn circuit capacity of 2.1 amps and a taillight circuit capacity of 5 amps, it handles your trailer's electrical needs without fail. What stands out is the plug-and-play design. No need to cut into your vehicle's wiring or mess with complicated splices. That means faster installation, fewer headaches, and a connection you can count on. One happy customer shared how their kit arrived missing the two-sided tape, but thanks to quick support from Horizon Global, the missing piece was mailed out promptly, and the product worked perfectly. This kind of customer care is part of what makes Tekonsha a leader in the industry. If you're tired of unreliable wiring setups or complicated installs, this product is worth a look. It's the kind of upgrade that changes how you tow, making every trip smoother and safer. Ready to make your trailer wiring hassle-free? Tekonsha's 16-gauge bonded wire with 4-way flat plug offers a reliable, weatherproof connection that's easy to install and built to last. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, this is the wiring solution that keeps your trailer lights bright and your stops and turns clear. Try it when you're ready and experience the peace of mind that comes with a trusted connection.